When doing the training, one of the things that confuses most students is how the training quizzes and videos work. You'll notice the first one is self-explanatory. For firearm safety, there's a video that you can watch. When you're done viewing the video, you enter your student email, and after you put that in, you will be allowed to begin the quiz. Click the button, and then go through the questions, answering each one the way that you feel is appropriate. Now when you get done with all of the questions, you'll notice that it gives you your automatic quiz score. Notice you must score 100% in order to submit the quiz. It will ask you to please edit your answers if you have not scored 100%. You can edit your answers by editing quiz answers, which will back you up to the previous question. You can then move back or next to whichever question you want to change the answers on. Once you've gotten all of your answers correct and you've scored 100%, you'll see that it will then ask you to input your first name, last name, and to re-enter your email address. Now when you do that, you'll notice that it gives you an access code for the next training segment. In this case, for initial training, it's Ammunition Basics. And the next training code is Bullets. So you would hit your submit quiz results, you would get your information, and then you would move on to the Ammunition Basics. Here on Ammunition Basics, it's going to ask you for an access code. You would put in the access code that you just received on the previous quiz, Bullets. When I put that in, you'll notice that a video pops up that I can now take and the quiz. Without that information in there, you'll notice I have no quiz in video. So I must put in the access code from the previous section's training in order to move forward. This ensures that I have gone through each section of the training and I have answered all of the questions correctly at least one time. That way when I get to the written test at the end, all of the questions that are taken directly from these quizzes I have previously answered and will be able to answer correctly. Then I would simply put my student email again in and I could start taking this quiz just like the last one. And that's how you'll move through each one of the quizzes until you've completed all sections of your designated training. We hope that this information helps and guide you through the online training process.